Kakatiya Thermal Power Plant, also known as KTPP, is located in Telangana state in Jayashankar-Bhupalpalli district. It has two units, one is 600 and other is 500 megawatts. The water source is from the Godavari river, and in ash handling system about 15,000 meter cube of water is used for flushing and conveying of the bottom ash and the fly ash. The bottom ash, the water is initially stored in the sump, and then with using the series cascading pumps of 600 meter cube capacity, ash is mixed with the water and it's formed into the slurry shape, and it is being transported to the ash pond that is located about 3 kilometers from the plant. The ash is transported to the pipeline of 200 NB dia and then again at 300 NB dia and is conveyed to the ash pond. The fly ash is stored into the silos, and there are two numbers of silos, and this fly ash collected in the silos is ensured to dispose to the end user cement companies in the closed tracks. The fly ash generated per day is about 1800 to 2000 tons for the 600 megawatts, and it's about 1500 to 1600 tons for the 500 megawatts. The second one is the bottom ash. This bottom ash is the slurry mixed with the water, and the 70% of the water is again conveyed to the ash pond. This ash pond has the bottom ash, and this bottom ash is again lifted with the end user companies, and the water is collected. It should be recycled, since it should not be disposed to the nearby lakes. So the water to recycle, the one of with the finest state-of-art technology has been adopted in the KTPP ash water recovery system. So the water present in the ash pond, again it is being filtered with the decanting valve. The decanting valve has the cans wherein it filters the ash and again sends the pure water through gravity to the ash water recovery pump house. This water that is stored in the ash pond through gravity, it is being collected in the collecting tank nearby the ash water recovery system, and this collecting tank through gravity goes to the sump that is located in the ash recovery system. In the ash water recovery system, using the 600 meter cube cascading series pumps, the filtered water pumped to the clarifier through 300 MB dia. The clarifier is located about 2 kilometers from the ash water recovery pump house. In clarifier, the water is treated with alum and polyelectrolyte to maintain pH values and to maintain turbidity. With the help of the agitator and flocculator is thoroughly mixed and sludge is sedimented, and the clear water is so collected in the clear water sump. From the clear water sumps, by using the clear water pumps, which are about 1000 cubic meter capacity, the treated ash recovery water is pumped to the ash water sump located in the ash handling system. By this, the ash water is recovered without letting to the environment. The so recovered water from the ash water recovery pump house is about 20 to 30%.